From Teams, you can add the Surfy app by clicking on App, searching for Surfy. The application is added and allows you directly to book a workstation or declare teleworking. To book a workstation, I can do it for half a day, morning, afternoon, or a full day. In the morning, I declare teleworking, and in the afternoon, I am in the office with the possibility of booking a workstation. The area dedicated to me corresponds to the area in which I have been pre-programmed, so the area in which I am allowed to book, and I can choose a workstation to book it on the 3rd of April. To find the workstation I have booked, I click on the line. I get the location of the workstation with my name and photo. If colleagues are present on the same day, they will be posted here and I will be able to see their location on the map, which will allow me to possibly stand in front of them. I can schedule the next 30 days, either telecommuting or in the office with a workstation.